Line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, we see both Misfits and Power Up trying to place those game pieces that they had with them. Power Up's cube does stay in place in the lower row. And on the Blue Alliance, meanwhile, it looks like we have each of our robots having to place a game piece in that upper row, and Blazing Bulldogs made it to their charging station at the end of Autonomous at well. And that is enough for the Blue Alliance to take a 30-point lead as we start telly up. And looks like they are well on their way over at their power stations, looking to find some more game pieces to add to that. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, Valkyrie Robotics, they've had a bit of a rocky drive over to their substation, but they managed to make their way off of those cubes, stay upright, and grab a cone. Unfortunately, that one they're not able to keep a hold of it, but they are going to try again, bring that back to try and help Red Alliance even up the score a little bit. Blue Alliance, meanwhile, however, they are still working quickly to fill in that grid. They have one link achieved already, soon to be more perhaps, with the contribution from Skywalkers. And in fact, now they have 3 of the necessary links out of 4 they will need to earn an additional ranking point. And with 70 seconds left to go in the match, they certainly have quite a bit of time to try and achieve that. Red Alliance, meanwhile, it looks like they are all 3 of them over at their substation on the other side of the field. Power Up, they are trying to grab one of those cubes, and their alliance partners, Valkyrie Robotics, looks like they are narrowing in, trying to find a game piece of their own. And with 50 seconds left to go, however, Blue Alliance is continuing to pull ahead. They already have that 1 ranking point from the activation bonus, having filled out 4 links, and they are not done yet. With just over 30 seconds left to go, they have even more of their grid filled out, and 2 teams already making their way onto their charging station, preparing to balance that. With 20 seconds left to go, they have 2 of their teams currently engaged on the charging station, and alliance partner Blazing Bulldogs adding a couple more cubes before the end of the match. And with 15 seconds left to go, Red Alliance, they are answering with 2 engaged robots of their own. And with 10 seconds left to go, Blazing Bulldogs adding 1 more cone to that middle row. 5 seconds left, and Valkyrie Robotics trying to make it back in time to park. And they do not quite make it to their destination. 33-30, and earning all 4 potential ranking points as well.